Hello honeybees, I am back with some more information to hopefully help you and NightBot get along a little better. Let's create a custom command. I'm going to create one that links back to Granny D. So I'm naming it after Granny D with an exclamation point ahead of it so that people don't trigger it by accident. And I wrote a little blurb about her, and I had her link ready, so I just copied and pasted all of it. I want everyone to be able to do it, and let's set it so people can send it once every 60 seconds. We'll hit submit. Now let's create a command that's just called D, and we'll give it an alias of Granny D so that it will run the same command. So we go to add command, we type in exclamation point DEE. We can skip the message. We'll set it to 60 seconds, just like the other one. And we'll type in for the alias exclamation point Granny D, because we want it to act just the same as the command we just saved. Submit. Now let's create a timer, which is a repeating message that NightBot will send into the chat. So we're going to go to the timers menu, and I already have one created called Basic Call to Action. And that one says, please remember to like this stream and subscribe to Sunflower's Creative Showcase and Crochet. Turn on the notification bell and set it to all so that you will be notified every time I go live or upload. And I want it to repeat every 45 minutes of my live stream. And if there are not 4 lines per 5 minutes of chat, I want it to not do that because it will be too cluttered. So I saved, and now I will show you another cool thing you can do with the alias box. I know that I am talking at a different speed, but if you notice, I typed exclamation point socials into the alias box of that timer. And now I'm going to go to my commands where I have a command named socials, and every time that timer runs, my exclamation point socials will run too. Neat, right honeybee? Stay tuned for my next video in which I will teach you how to whitelist a website and make it so that anybody can link back to their YouTube profile from your chat. Thank you for joining me. I hope to make these as bite-sized and easy to understand as possible. Please let me know if I'm doing a good job, and have a great day, honeybee. Bye.